friends, I'm Koyel. I have appeared for IBPS PO6 examination last year and have been selected as a probationary officer in United Bank of India. A large of my success is attributed to the excellent tutorial. The intensive 5 months course helped me in brushing up my skills in quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning and English. Moreover, the compact current affairs notes provided at the end of each month proved to be quite immenseful. The tutorial also conducted periodic mock tests, both online and offline, as well as mock interviews, which also helped immensely. I would like to thank all my teachers who have helped me and guided me in overcoming my weak subject areas. Just a quick suggestion for all the future aspirants: if you want to join a bank, join Excellent Tutorial. Thank you.